If you have been around from the beginning, you might remember me as Sakshi Verma, BSc Nursing second year student at GMC Bhopal. But between the textbooks and the trauma, that identity of me started to blur. I stopped posting, I stopped explaining, because how can you explain the world in which you are falling apart? But I have realized that stories like mine matters a lot. Not because they are loud, not because they are successful, but because they are real. If you are following me from my initial college nursing days, I haven't forgotten where we have started. In fact, many of these videos will take you behind the scenes of the real nursing journey. The system, the struggles, and the things that no one talks about. I'll be sharing everything from staying, switching, or just surviving this field. So if you are a nursing student trying to make sense of your own crossroads, trying to make sense out of everything that was happening there, this might be the thing you have been searching for. Over the next few weeks, I'll be sharing my journey from the time when I felt I have lost everything to the person who is sitting in front of you, slowly coming back to her own identity. So if you ever felt lost, if you ever felt lonely and felt like this is not the place where you wanted to be, stay here, subscribe to the channel, as this story is not only about me. This can be our becoming. Welcome to the Becoming series, and I'll see you in the next episode. So this was Sakshi in her own self.